Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we will be doing something that's heavily requested by my mum. A typical mum, she is a B&M obsessed. I think from what I've gathered looking at the products they sell, it seems to be mostly a brand called W7. So we're going to get into it. I'm going to do a little intro now and try and edit that in and then we'll begin. So, as mentioned, we went to B&M the other day. I went with my mum, we had a good time. Also, I am not trying to be manly. I'm not trying to get another load of audience to come into this video and try and reel in more views with what really I need. I am ill. However, I'm not going to give up on making a video. I want to do one. I've tried to put it off and off and off as much as I can. So, I have also upgraded this curtain. I've took down the one in the bedroom and put this up. So that's my investment for the channel this month. I also did treat myself the other day. I know I said we were going to talk about little purchases that we've done during the week. So had a pretty shit week. So I did treat myself. I had a look and I had some £5 Tesco vouchers. So I bought some new lashes, the Eyelaw dramatic ones. But B&M. So I have lined up in front of me around all the things. So just at a point of reference, this look that we're doing today only cost £30. Can you see it on there? £30 and 99 pence. Ooh. So yeah, it's good. I've got some good stuff in front of me. So we have, it's again, like I said, mostly W7. So it's W7 primer, which is a really big bottle. I think this was £3. So that's, you know, it's a lot of product for your money. We have this high definition camera ready foundation in the shade Buff, which, let's be honest, just describes me to a T. And then we have setting powder. Oh, I think this was £3. $2.49, and then we have the setting powder, $1.99. Wow, I'm going to pay a lot more than that. We have a contour kit, which is actually quite cute. So it's like this. You have all your shades. Cute. Tells you how to contour if you're a bit basic like myself. And you know what? I hate the packaging. So the contour kit was £3. Interesting. We'll see how it compares to Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, it's so heavy. I love this product. This was a Christmas present from my partner and it's amazing. So you've done well with that one. Like he always does, I will give him credit. He is very good. He buys me very good makeup as gifts. He's very supportive partner for someone who's quite masculine. He does support my feminine self, you know. Then we have an eyeshadow palette. This was $4.99. How cute is the packaging? It looks more expensive than it should be, you know. And then the shades, they're teeny tiny, but you get some really fun, cute ones in there. It's cute. And then I bought my own beauty blender because for these challenges, if the makeup is trash, then I don't want to ruin my own ones, even though we know they are Primark. Then they didn't have eyeliner, so I did buy a Rimmel one, which they did sell. It's all on the receipt, so don't come for me and say I'm cheating. Just try and look good. Then we got Forever Extra Volumizing Mascara. Cute packaging, feels heavy too. I actually quite like the feel of this one, so this will be interesting. And I found this one, quite cute packaging, little glitter shimmery thing. And then I found, oh, I'm so excited, and I wanna swatch these straight away. I found these, they were liners, someone dumped them. They're NYX, cool. There's one missing, so they were down to like £1.50. I don't care if someone's just tried them. You know, we're in a pandemic. I've had the coronavirus now, so who cares? So that's that. But for now, let's start with the foundation. I'm just going to be going for like a testing and a kind of what do you think kind of vibe. I'm not really doing a tutorial. And oh yeah, they didn't have eyebrow products. I've already done my eyebrows and look how good they look. God, it's the best I've ever done them. Oh, cute, you know. So let's go in with some primer first. So to prime the face, we are using W7 Glow Prime. Let's just pump a little bit on the face here. It smells like pineapple. Yeah, it's like a pineapple smell, which is quite nice, quite refreshing. It does feel good on the skin. So the skin's now primed. So next we're using the high definition camera ready. So perfect for this because I'm a widely successful YouTuber. You know, I did go to London the other week and found myself on the billboards on the way, you know. And I also put my name on the receipts at work because, you know, free publicity. So let's get my £1 beauty blender and then just get a pump of this. This again, like I said, it's in the shade Buff if you feel like you're a similar skin tone to myself. So just get a little on the end of that. Oh, this is a colour match. It feels nice. It does feel light. I'd say it's not full coverage. I'd say probably medium coverage. It's not give me like a full look. But to be fair, when you compare to the redness of my skin naturally to now, it's definitely giving it a bit of something. And it's not like bold in your face. So I'm just going to buff this on and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so the face is now laid with foundation. We're going for a lighter look today, nothing too heavy. And I do like it. It does feel nice on the skin. It does feel soft. It's quite velvety. Considering it's only like £2.50 or £2, whatever this was. Yeah, I like it. So there was no concealer. So today I will be using, let's go in with like a Rimmel blemish stick. So I'm just gonna hit on there, look like a chicken, you look like a hen just, you know, coming out the hen, just popped a little egg out, you know, cute. There we go, so we're now concealed. We're ready to go to the next step, which is contour. So going in now with the W7 Lift and Sculpt Contour Kit. It's quite nice. It tells you what to do with each stage. So it does mention these are your contourers, these ones, sorry, bronzer here, and then these are your highlighting shades. So I'm gonna go in with a flat-ended brush, and I'm just gonna push into the product and then just try and sculpt out the face. So let's see how well it picks up. Let's go in with one of the lighter shades. Let's get the brush on there. I'm not really a huge fan of these kind of like cream contours. I struggle to get the product on my face. So let's push this on here, which is a nice shade. It's quite similar to what I normally use. However, it's actually a bit light. So this isn't really picking up very well. It could be because I'm using the wrong brush. Don't come for me. I'm not an MUA. We know this. I do feel shells. I'm proud of it. It blends out quite nicely. It blends out easy. It's got a really nice warm tone here, which is definitely standing out compared to the foundation. Really impressed with the foundation, by the way. It's holding itself really well. Push in up here to my receding hairline. Ideally, I would have a darker shade so I can fill my hairline in, but it's fine. For today's video, we will just use a nice warm tan colour and just push. So just to compare it to, you know, the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, I would say that it's cute. I like it. It has a similar kind of consistency, but would I go out and buy it again? And would I realistically use it again? No, because I have better products personally. But I would say as someone who's definitely starting out and wants to learn contour, again, not making out I'm a bloody expert, because I'm not. Okay, we're getting there. So what do you think? What do you think? I think it's not too bad, you know? Considering it is only £2.50. Considering for a first time kit, it's not bad. It's not bad. Like, credit where credit is due. £2.50, if it means that I'm living more comfortably and not spending £40 on Anastasia Beverly Hills, then you've got to watch this space, girl. Anastasia, these people are coming for you. So what I like to do now is, after contouring, you probably wonder why you haven't really used a foundation setting powder. Well, because girl, there's a lot of product on this face now. And the good thing with a setting powder is you can set the face in, obviously, but you can highlight and chisel the face with it as well after contouring. With the setting powder, you get a nice size tray, which is handy, a brush, which is useless, and a whole lot of powder which goes everywhere. So they only do one shade from what I found. and you can see it's really setting the product on camera now, how I'm seeing it, which does change when I edit and look at it in the actual reality of how you'll see it on your TVs. But in the camera now it looks good. In the mirror it looks good. It looks very matte but good, but the light is picking up much better on the camera. So you are seeing it better than how I am seeing it, believe me. Work! I love this. It's actually looking really good. So my face is now setting, it's now drying. I always find whenever I'm doing the fanning actually, I always look like all of my selfies, which you'll see on my Instagram down below. So if you are new to the channel, please go and follow my Instagram. It will be in the information section below. New. I'm enjoying this, it's good. I love new stuff. So the next step, now this is done, cute. We're gonna go on to eyeshadow. Yeah, why not? So just make sure there's no powder. I'm just gonna brush it off. It's already primed. Actually, try that a bit. So I'm gonna top up the primer. So I'm just gonna tease a bit on the finger because you don't need a lot of product. And it's burning my eye. Ow! Thank God this is a curtain. Great. Now my bedroom curtain's got a nice bit of photo ready foundation. So we'll be going in with the W7 whatever totally random pressed pigment palette. Oof. It has some cute shades. It has a whole top row of shimmers and a whole bottom row of mattes. And I'm feeling like because the majority of shades in this is pink, we'll be doing a very pink look. I'm gonna go in with Say Who first, just to set in like a foundation. It's got like a blushy pinky kind of vibe to it. So that's a very skin tone colour. You can see it compared to this side where I primed it to here. It's a very like blushy pink skin tone, which, you know, might say is pointless, but it's actually quite good because you can blend with that. So blending your lighter shade like your bubbles and just blending that in could look quite cute. So I'm just going to do the other eye. Okay, so that colour is now on. I'm thinking to give it some kind of undertone, some kind of depth to it. Either going in with Chippy, which is this one, or Mustard. So it has just a bit different to the skin tone colour because it's a bit boring. So let's try Mustard. Cute. Can you see it? There you are. Yeah, so it gives the eyes a bit of a glow. It's nice. It's a shade I'll probably come back to. If you're doing like, just picking my nose casually, sorry guys. If you're doing like a nice yellowy eye, like a summery eye, it's a nice shade. It's not bold, but it's definitely there. It's definitely there. So then I think, let's make it spicy. Let's make it spicy. I've got a grey background with a grey shirt on. It's already boring as it is. So let's go in with Royal, this purple colour, on the inside of my eye, into the crevice, the crater, the gouge, the deepest, darkest depths of my face. So the purple's now on. I feel like that was definitely the right choice. We're gonna go bold, we're gonna go colourful today. And I must say, so far, I'm really enjoying this palette. For £5, do you know what? It's actually quite good. So let's go in with Pop Art now, which is the hot pink like this. So I'm gonna press this in on the outer eyelid now. Yo, yo, yo. This is cute. I am living. Whoa, whoa. This is good. This is a good palette. This is good. You should go out and get it. Do you know what? Even if you're not a fan of pinks, you should definitely get it. This W7 whatever palette, I'm telling you, I'm really enjoying this so far. So let's go in now for Hooky. So go in with your finger again, works really well for pressed pigment palettes, especially your shimmers. So push in. And then I'm just gonna try and get Fake ID to go on now, which is like a shimmery lilac color like this. You see it there? It's got that purple iridescent look to it now. It's cute. It just gives it a nice like standout. It's popping. We can see that I'm wearing a purple eye. Cute. So what I'm gonna do now, let's try a different color. let's try and go in with maybe using the Fake ID because it's quite a sharp colour. So we'll use Fake ID, sorry, Royal, which is this royal purple here, just to try and sharpen under the eye. So go in with more of a finer tip brush now. This is bold. It's a statement look. Done. So using the Rimmel Precise Line, so we just read it out, shall we? The 24-hour hold colour precise eyeliner. It is a fine tip. It's a soft bristle end. Let's see how black it comes out. This is my kind of eyeliner. That's a really soft tip. It dries very black as well. Okay, so next up is the lashes. So we have got the W7 lashes here. They don't have like a particular number, but this is the ones I use. They're quite long and wispy. Okay, so the lashes are on. They're cute, I like them. Not my favourite. They're quite wispy. And the banding's really small in it, so it's hard for them to stick down, but they're definitely there. I like the length of them. They're a cute length, but they're just not as full as I like. I really do like the full dramatic look personally, like these ones here. But they're nice. They're the nicest one they had. If you like a more wispy and subtle look, then I'd definitely say go and get them for sure. So the next step is the lips. This is the final step. So we have got, as mentioned, the NYX ones with the brown, the pink, and this. I'm going to try and use all of them. So we're going to try and use the brown on the inner ear now, but tiny. Going into the hot pink in the middle with the liquid lipstick in the blushy colour in the center. But I'm just going to line my lips. It doesn't have a lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips with more of a hot pink colour because, you know, this is a bold look. So let's just line my lips and I'll be back in a sec. So the lips are lined. We have this pink colour on now. And we've got to go in with the NYX brown in the corner just to give it, and I have swatched these already. It's like the maroony colour. So we're going with the maroony colour first on the inside of the lip. There we go, and I kind of line my lips with it too. So going for that hot dark colour. Going in with the NYX now in the hot pink. Cute, look at that. That's a nice lip. And then now, just to shimmer it off, we're gonna go with the W7 Glitter Pop liquid lipstick in the shade, what's it with this brand and not shade naming anything apart from the bloody foundation? Okay, fine, in the shade, I guess pink. Yeah, I like it. It's kind of like, you know what this look reminds me of? It's like a bit gothic-y. I know it sounds a bit stupid because I've gone for all pinks, but you know, like you think of gosh, you think of like all black, but this is more like I'm like a saucy goth, you know, I'm not like a goth that wants to just dream about bats and sleeping in a coffin and, you know, getting a kiss from a vampire. I'm more of a goth like, get all over my lips as usual and just try and make some moves. Oh. So here we have the final look with the predominantly W7 branded B&M makeup. Completely forgot what shop we were reviewing just now. And it was fabulous. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram in the section down below. And head over to B&M and try some of this makeup. And hopefully one day, if we keep working together with this channel, then we can get some nicer brands on here. But for now, we're going to keep it relatable, keep it sweet, and well, it'll always be relatable, but you know what I mean. I'm just trying to get a good outro here. But anyway, thank you for watching. The next video is, I don't know, I'll think of something and it'll be up next Sunday. And I will see you then. Goodbye, darlings. I love you. Bye.